If you want to buy a home in 2021, there are a few things you should be doing right now to make that happen. My name is Renner with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, the Good Life Group here in Omaha. The first thing you need to do is get pre-approved. If you want to buy a home, you need to make sure you can afford it, and more importantly, get approved by a bank to do so. This is unless you're paying cash, and this doesn't really apply. A pre-approval will not only help you figure out how much you can afford, but also how much a home will cost each month. What could happen when you try to get pre-approved is you are denied. Although most loan officers will be nice and they won't say you are denied, they will tell you in order to get pre-approved, you must do A, B, and C. You may have something on your credit report that you have forgotten. You might have a tax issue you need to handle, or your credit report might be wrong. The sooner you talk to a loan officer, the sooner you can find out about any potential issues that could derail your home buying plans, and it will give you some time to get them fixed so you can start the home buying process. You will also get an idea of how much money you need to save up for a down payment. And that leads me to my next tip: save money. Cash is king. But why is that on the list? Well, for quite a few reasons. First, Omaha is a seller's market, so that means you aren't getting any closing costs covered by a seller. But what it also means is there are multiple offer situations, and having a decent amount of savings gives you options. Now, each one of these points could have been their own 10-minute video, but I didn't want this video to go too long. So if you need more clarification, please reach out and maybe I'll do some additional videos on these points soon. First, you could go over asking on a home and potentially make up the difference if it doesn't appraise. You could also waive a home inspection or do a home inspection and not ask for any repairs because you have the resources to make those repairs on your own. Now, in multiple offer situations, sellers are also looking at how financially sound a buyer is, and a large down payment often means there is less of a risk of the loan falling through at the last minute. Also, having a good savings opens some doors. A typical buyer with a small down payment is usually looking for a home that is move-in condition and it doesn't require any expensive repairs or upgrades anytime soon. You will pay a premium for a home that is move-in ready and needs no work. If you have money set aside to make improvements, it could open up a lot of opportunities, homes that other buyers just are not interested in, and therefore they don't have multiple offers, ultimately getting you a better deal. Those are just a few of the reasons why cash is king in this market. The last tip is find a real estate agent. Buying a home is a big decision, so it's important to work with someone with experience that can guide you through the process. I recommend interviewing multiple agents and choose the one that you are most comfortable with. A good agent will take the time to answer any questions you have, and most will have loan officers, inspectors, and other home providers that they can recommend. It's never too early to reach out to an agent. Obviously, I'm a real estate agent and would love the opportunity to help you. If you're looking to buy or sell a home in 2021 or beyond, please reach out to me. I'm happy to answer any questions about the process and provide you with additional resources. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my other videos as well.